Today we're going to be learning some basic signs, words, phrases in sign language. Now what I've done with each of the clips is picked about 5 or 6 different words. It's very important when you first start learning sign language, one, to know your alphabet. A lot of phrases or words come from the alphabet, so it's important, one, to learn your ABCs. Know your ABCs and know your letters and your numbers as well, your numbers, your 1, 2, 3s. So I thought I'd start off with some opposites here. Also important to keep in mind when you're learning sign language, to learn between maybe 5 to 10 words a day. Anything more than that and it will be difficult to retain. 5 is a good number. If you want to really push yourself though, you're going to have to practice these words every day before we get into phrases. It's very important or else you will begin to forget. Think back to when you were a kid and when you were first learning how to spell and how to write. You could only learn a couple of words a day. So let's start off with some opposites here. We've got above and below. So if we take our hand above, so you want to take your right hand, if you're right-handed, and you basically circle the hand to show that something is above. Same as then again below. You can either circle your hand underneath here, or you can take your hand and signal below, like there's something beneath an object here. So above and below, or below. Again, on and off now. Keep your hand out here and we'll take this hand and we'll put it on. On. Off, I'm sure you can figure out. Off, the opposite. Off. Let's try in and out then. In, you want to cup your hand into a circle here, and you're going to take these 4 fingers and put them in. In. And out, of course, is the opposite of in, so you're going to take those 4 fingers and take them out. Out. So if we review these 6 opposites, basically, above, below, on, off, in, and out.